Hello, dear friends. You are listening to English Learning Made Easy, an English podcast especially serving to those who learn English as their second language. This is your host, Sajid Ali Khan. It's great to be with you again. Today, I'm going to give a very fantastic motivational lecture on why coward don't watch dream. So let's get started. Dear friends, one's dream has been beautifully defined by our former President of India, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and I quote, "Dream is not that you see in sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep." Unquote. Dear friends, I don't find more simple yet powerful words to define dream better than these. Actually, dream is not everyone's cup of tea. It needs a lion heart to watch a dream and to strive to accomplish it. It's not a child's play, because here you are bound to find lots of pain, lots of disappointment, lots of failure, but only those among you can rise up again from these challenges who believe in their potentiality, who believe in their hard work, who are passionate to accomplish their dream. Dear friends, many of us scare. We do possess the fear of failure. Therefore, we don't dare to watch dream. We lack determination. We lack passion. We lack that madness in whose intoxication we can achieve anything in the world. God has bestowed us with such intelligence, with much knowledge. Still, we don't want to take risk. We don't want to come out of our comfort zone. We have limited our efforts and dreams to a limited horizon. We do not trust our efforts. We do not believe in ourselves. This is really ridiculous. This is really shameful. Dear friends, each one of us has a tremendous level of potentiality and caliber. The need is just to realize it. We have to realize that if we determine anything, we can achieve it. We must realize that the thing between us and our goal is only fear of failure. The moment we overcome this fear of failure, believe me, we accomplish success in realizing our dream. Dear friends, we must be risk takers. We must not be lethargic just living a normal life. We have to remember one fact of life: no pain, no gain. So, if you want to achieve something in life, you have to take risk. You have to tolerate pain and sufferings. Success is not cheap. It requires lots of sacrifices, lots of suffering, lots of hard work, lots of madness. Madness to realize your dream. Madness to defeat your fear. Madness to prove that you are more powerful than your problems. Dear friends, we must remember one thing, that pain is temporary. It will trouble you for some time. You will suffer for a limited period of time. But when due to fear of pain, you don't dare to struggle, then you will lose this golden opportunity for your life, and that pain will always be with you by the time you reach to your grave. So dear friends, don't scare of problems. They are the stepping stone of your success. Don't hide yourself behind excuses, because even if there would be thousands of excuses, there will always be someone who will prove his talent by doing his best in such challenging situation. And this is how we discover the legends in our world. Dear friends, victory and defeat is decided first in our brain. Then it comes to this real world. If you consider yourself weaker than your problem, then you definitely lose. If our courage exceeds then our challenge, then we become unstoppable. Then no one can deprive you from realizing your dream. So dear friends, always remember in life, never doubt your potentialities. No challenge is bigger than your courage. No challenge is bigger than your determination. No challenge is bigger than your madness. And no challenge is bigger than your passion. So don't be coward and don't abandon watching dream. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.